Baba Sindhukula. He says to him, don't be impatient.
Okay.
Don't be over-eager. Take your time step by step, krame krame. That everything has to go in a natural progression. We can't falsify our path by jumping ahead too many steps. So in this way, in the very beginning of the relationship with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he has this darshan with Mahaprabhu, and he becomes one of the most intimate and close associates of Mahaprabhu. But in the very beginning, Mahaprabhu says, slow down, relax. Okay, don't do too much too quickly. So maybe we can relate a little bit in the very beginning of these instructions, that sometimes we want to do everything. We want to jump. But our Srila Gurudev would sometimes say, if you jump to the top of the tree, then you'll fall down and hit every branch on the way. So in this way, don't go too accelerated. You have to go krame krame. You have to go in progression. Because Mahaprabhu's mood, he has such a love for those devotees who have renunciation, but it has to be authentic. Mahaprabhu Bhakta Dana Vairagya Pradhan Yahe Deke Pritihana Gaura Bhagavan. Mahaprabhu, he's feeling so much joy when he sees the renunciation of his bhaktas. But he says to Raghunath Das Goswami, he says, Markata Vairagya. Yes, I'm forgetting. So he says, Markata Vairagya. He left me. Yes. So he's telling to him, he says, don't be shobhava devotion. Don't be someone who's so attached to the display of renunciation. You simply engage with the world. You engage according to what you need to do to maintain your environment, but don't become attached. Now, sometimes people will look at this verse, they think, oh, so he's given permission to Raghunath Das Goswami engage in the world and don't become attached, so I can engage to whatever degree I want and I'll think I'm not attached. But this is not true. Mahaprabhu is saying only in a dharmic way. You should follow all dharmic standards, all dharmic principles. Don't engage in any adharmic behavior. So in this way, Mahaprabhu is cultivating. And then, ultimately, he's bringing him that he says, Antareya Nishta Koda Bhaje. Yes. Yes. I was studying these verses today and I was thinking, I'll say it in front of Maharaj, I'll forget everything, and then he'll say it. So he's saying to Raghunath Das Goswami, very amazing. He's saying that actually you should cultivate internally this nishta in your heart. This nishta in your heart should be fanned. This nishta in your heart should be cultivated. And everyone else doesn't need to know. What your devotion is not for show and not for other people to understand, but actually you should fan that flame in your heart. And very quickly, Krishna will become very pleased and he'll facilitate coming closer to him in this way, if you cultivate in that way. So Mahaprabhu, he gave such an instruction to Raghunath Das Goswami, but then he sent him away. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he's feeling unsatisfied, but he's following the instructions. And so gradually his father and his uncle, they perceive this idea that maybe he has actually given up the idea of running away from home. Maybe he has become a nice grihasta. He'll just stay here and take care of the duties of the household. But he kept the devotion in his heart. And later when he had the opportunity to have the darshan of Lord Nityananda, with Maharaj maybe will speak other things, but I'll just... You spoke this morning. So when Raghunath Goswami has the darshan of Lord Nityananda, first he's very far away. And Lord Nityananda says, oh, you're a chore, you're a thief, because you don't want anyone to see you. And so he forces him, his punishment is engage in service. So sometimes we have the interaction and the experience with the sadhu, with Guru, that, oh, why he's so heavy on me? Why such a chastisement? He's forcing me to do all these things. But this is kripa. This is real mercy. When the sadhu is chastising, when the sadhu is correcting, when the sadhu is embarrassing, he's simply displaying his overwhelming compassion for you to rectify your feeling of independence, your feeling that I am the doer. So he's cultivating you so you can be a very sweet offering to the Lord. And so in this way, Raghunath Das Goswami, after the mercy and blessings of Lord Nityananda, after the mercy and blessings of Raghava Pandit and all the associates there, then he was able to be with Mahaprabhu full time. So in this way, we can also mirror the path of Raghunath Das Goswami. And we can think, okay, in the beginning, I just have to cultivate internally. Maybe I'm interacting with the world. Maybe I'm stuck dealing with so many different things on the externals that are a karmic bombardment. The samskars are coming up over and over again. But I never stray from my internal devotion to the Lord. And I hold tight to the feet of Sri Guru. Because if you're at the feet of Sri Guru, if you're engaged in Guru Seva, if you're engaged in Vaishnav Seva, then everything will become very smooth. And in this way we can follow Raghunath Das Goswami, his life path, and ultimately coming to Sri Rupa Goswami and serving Sri Rupa Rati Manjari in the Nitya Lila. So in this way we can meditate on this day that how Raghunath Das Goswami is such an example for us, that he's playing out the part of someone who's very ordinary in the beginning, and still he's cultivating so many things, so we can try to follow in those footsteps. And today especially, because it's a special mahotsav of him, then he'll be more inclined to give mercy if we can pray to him. So together we can say Srila Raghunath Das Goswami ki Jai, and begging for his mercy and the mercy of our Guru Varga, of Srila Bhan Goswami Maharaj and all of the Gaudiya Guru Rupanuga Varga, then we can try to follow in the footsteps of Raghunath Das Goswami and maybe one day attain that ultimate cherished goal of always being in the association and service of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Mirandasya Ganangana Savakaya Shakshurukshana Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnuparaya Gaura Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Vaniti Namine Panchakalpatarusha Kripa Sindhu Vyaracha Papitanam Nalare Vaishnave Namo Namaha Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare. Well, first of all, I want to offer my obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Guru Parabhagma Vishubhara Sotra Sat Srimad Bhakti-vedanta Srila Bhan Goswami Maharaj, and also to all the Rupanuga Guru Varga, and also to all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis and all the guests also. Welcome. You're the owner. Oh, the pleasure.
Thank you.
Well, thank you for having us here also. Today is a very special day. It is always a very special day. In fact, when, why? If we had a very special thing in our life, in our spiritual life, easy to get, but at the same time hard to get. And that thing is called Sadhu Sangha. Because if we are in Sadhu Sangha, our spiritual life will be perfect. Because as Srila Gurudev said in the morning, Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Sastri, Lava Matra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi. Sarva Siddhi, or you can attain all perfection in just a fraction of a second divided in 11, Lava Matra. You can attain Sarva Siddhi, you can attain all perfections with Sadhu Sangha. Because if we look at all the Shastra, Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, there's always a constant topic. Because we were listening in the morning the life story of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami. And I never realized a very important thing in his history life. He had Sadhu Sangha since childhood. From who? Srila Haridas Thakur, Namacharya Srila Haridas Thakur. From that moment on, you can say, externally of course, you can say he started to develop his spiritual life. And that's what we need. Sadhu Sangha. Real Sadhu Sangha. Perfect Sadhu Sangha. Because a bona fide spiritual master can give you anything. In which form? In the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nama Namachintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Nitya Mukto Abhina Tvam Nama Namino. It is said that between Krishna and his name there are no difference. So when we chant Mahamantra Hare Krishna, we are very near to Krishna. We cannot notice in this state, conditioned state, we cannot notice that. But if we take this Harinam Mahamantra from the lotus lip of a bona fide spiritual master, we are in fact with Krishna. We are taking this vibration, Sapta Brahma, a pure spiritual vibration, in the form of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And this Mahamantra can give you all kind of perfections. If you chant this Mahamantra in Sadhu Sangha, if we listen to the life story of Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, if we listen to the story of Ajamil also, he had Sadhu Sangha. He also had Sadhu Sangha from Vishnu Dutas. He had Sadhu Sangha. And from that moment on, he could start to develop his spiritual life. So Sadhu Sangha is very, very, very important in our spiritual life. And we are here to try to get this Sadhu Sangha from a bona fide spiritual master. My Srila Gurudev, Om Vishwabhara Stotra Samsmara Bhakti Vedanta Van Goswami Maharaj Srila Gurudeva Ki Jai.
Haribol. Hi. Hare Krishna. First of all, I would like to offer my obeisances to my spiritual master. Om Vishnu Pada Satara Sata Shishimar Bhaktivedanta Van Goswami Maharaj Srila Gurudeva Ki Jai. To all Rupa Nuga Guru Varga, to all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, to all our guests present here, to you both. Thank you for inviting us and for having us, for giving us this special place that it has been very special for us for a few times. We love coming here. We do kirtan here with Rita and with Eva and with a few friends in the Rainbow Kirtan. And this is a very special place for us. It has a very nice energy. As I always try to explain, I'm not a very smart person. I don't have a very good memory, so I cannot say any shlokas. But what I can say, as I tried to say yesterday, is that we need to make sure we use the chance of this human body that is super, super rare. Even for the demigods, it's super hard to have sadhu sangha, to be able to do spiritual life, to be able to follow the footsteps of a bona fide guru. And now we are in the presence of the most selfless is the word, person that I have ever met in many, many lives. Probably. Not probably, for sure. If you think about one person that has nothing for him but everything for his guru and all his disciples, is Srila Gurudeva. And we should make sure that we are following from our heart and that we are listening to him with our hearts, not only with our ears. Our ears are material, but in our heart we have the capacity of holding his words and purify ourselves. And I really invite you to be able to enjoy this beautiful Harikatha in this very auspicious day, Chidadahi Mahotsava. We are very grateful to have you all here in this day. We are a very blessed family and a happy family. And thanks to Gurudev, Ananta has been able to have Sadhu Sangha since he was in the womb. So thank you, everyone. And thank you, Srila Gurudev. We owe you life after life after life after life for all your mercy. Srila Gurudev ki jai.
Hari.
How long will we have?
From 5.
How long we have in the future? Jane, até que hora podemos ter aula Harikata? Unlimited. This is your house today. No. This is your house.
Chef vão ajudar esse jogo, tá?
Okay. You speak.
Me? Chakshud meditam yena tasmai shri gurave namaha Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya evacha Patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Sigoura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ramo 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I would like to offer my most humble obeisances at the lotus feet of my Diksha Guru, Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, as well as at the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Srila Bhaktivedanta Vana Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, as well as to all our Rupanuga Guru Varga, to all of you, dear brothers and sisters, and to all the guests who came today to participate to this very special event. So we have come all together today for a very special reason. Something in our heart has attracted us to come here, has guided us to come here. And this very special energy, this is the energy of love, this energy of pure love. And we are in the presence of a very special personality who has the power to teach us what is the meaning of pure love, who is God, how we can connect with God, and what is the absolute truth. Few years ago, I was with all those questions in my heart, and this is the time when I met the devotees, and I got the answer to all those questions, and everything was reconciled. When we can understand that God is love, and love is God, and in this way, we have this desire in the heart to meet those personalities that can connect us to this pure love, who can connect us to God. We have all a very special relationship to God that can be developed through the process of Bhakti Yoga. Yoga means how to connect, but to connect to whom or to what. We understand from the teachings of our spiritual master that our individual soul can be connected to the super soul, to God, who is present as a witness in our heart, to the process of Bhakti Yoga. What does it mean, Bhakti Yoga? Bhakti Yoga means the process of devotional service. How, through the practice of service performed with love, under the guidance of a spiritual master who is completely empowered to connect us with this love in our heart, we can develop this process. Receiving those very powerful teachings, when we sit in the presence of the spiritual master, whose heart is completely saturated with this pure love, just to be sitting here, it is so powerful. Just to hear those beautiful kirtans, to hear the Maha Mantra, that is the very powerful process that has given to us in this Kali Yuga, in the age of quarrel and hypocrisy. We can see that this world is very much troubled, so many difficult events for each and every of us on a global level, but also on an individual level. So it is so important that our spiritual master, they come to remind us that we don't belong to this world. In fact, we are refugees in this world. We have all adopted those material identities of ours that are completely temporary. But who are we really? This thirst in the heart, these questions are there. And the spiritual master who have full knowledge of the revealed scriptures and who have realized them can give us answers that are not only knowledge, gyan, but Vigyan realization. So through their association, those information, they come into our heart in a very subtle level to this transcendental sound, Shabda Brahma. And that's why when we hear the narration of the pastime of the Supreme Lord, it is very powerful because it's not only telling us something about the Lord, it's giving us directly the Lord in our heart to this transcendental sound vibration. And this is extremely powerful. So our Divine Master has come to bless all of us today. Srila Bhaktivedanta Vana Goswami Maharaj is originally from West Bengal, and he has dedicated his whole life to the path of Bhakti Yoga. Since more than 28 years, he's traveling all over the world as an ambassador of love, of peace, and of devotion. And this is very, very extraordinary. We have many famous personalities in this world. Yes, we have many followers, and sometimes it is interesting because when we go out in the morning for the morning walk, and people are looking a bit at us like, what is this group of persons? And then I'm thinking, if they have all these famous stars that is talking about online, etc., they may be interested, but they don't realize that this is the most famous person, really, that connects us to the heart and connects us to love. So when Srila Maharaj is speaking Harikatha, the narration of the pastime of the Lord, but also the philosophy, the solid foundation that helps us to build up this palace of pure love and devotion. There's a very beautiful verse in the Srimad Bhagavatam that says, Tavakatam ritam tapta jivanam kavivirditam kalmasahapam Shavanamangalam Shrimadatatam Bhuvigriyantite Bodhidhajana. So this verse has been recited by Srimati Radhika herself, the eternal consort of the Supreme Personality of Godhead of Shri Krishna. And it means that by hearing the narration of the pastime of the Supreme Lord, this completely satisfies the heart of those devotees who feel so much separation from the Supreme Lord. And by receiving the narration from those personalities who are considered the most generous personality, because there is many acts of charity in this world. We can build hospital, we can distribute food to so many personalities, but that personality who will connect us to our heart and soul and to God, this is the most magnanimous personality and the most generous. So we are very eager today to hear the transcendental sound vibration of Srila Bhaktivedanta Vana Goswami Maharaj. We invite you to take full advantage of this very precious moment, and don't hesitate to ask for a blessing, to receive the holy names eventually directly from his mouth, and this is the highest form of blessing that will make your life completely successful. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha.
Om Gana Timirandrasya Gana Anjana Salakaya Chakshunmanitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Gurave Gaurachandraya Radha राधिका वै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्त्यै प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विना अमरावती सुंदर शिखंड शेखर स्मरास मुरली मनोहर राधिका रसिकमं कृपा निधि सप्रिया चरण किंकरीं कुरु संविदा दशरथिनांग विभो प्रार्थये ब्रजमेन्द्र नंदना हस्तो मोहन तवाति वल्लभा जन्म जन्मनि मदेश्वरी प्रिया शिरूपमंजरी करार्चित पाद पद्मंगसंदन भुजार्पितमस्तकाय हा मुदुत कनक गौरी पदारविंदम सनवहानि सनकैस्तवकैं करिष्ये। पदाब्जस्तवेना वरदाश्रमेव नन्नात् कदापि समय किल देवी जाचे सखायते मम नमस्तु नमस्तु नित्यं दस्सायते मम रसस्तु रसस्तु सत्यम्। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे So, first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Gurupad Padma, Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Sadasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakashidhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guest. I will not take too much of your time. All you spoke very nicely and glorified about Srila Raghunath Das Goswami's life history and his contribution. And especially today is very super excellent auspicious day. Just you heard Nityananda Prabhu mercifully chastised to him also. Chastised to Raghunath Das Goswami. And also Nityananda Prabhu told, I will give you punishment. What is the punishment? Vaishnava Seva. What is my fault?
Want to meet with Mahaprabhu?
What is my fault? Then Nityananda Prabhu told, you are thief. So I have to give the punishment? Thief. What did I steal? क्या चोरी किया?
He tried to stay.
He tried only.
He's actually staying.
Nityananda Prabhu told, you tried to steal my buried the jewels of my heart. I make the clap. What is the jewels to the heart of Nityananda Prabhu? Every Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nisyananda Prabhu, and also all you told very nice Hari Katha. For this regard, Nityananda Prabhu told, I will give you punishment. What is the punishment? Vaishnava Seva. Well, how will serve Vaishnava? Then you feed Vaishnava. Understand? Well, how you क्या सेवा करने का? How will you feed with Vaishnavas? And okay, you feed. Very nice. Dadhi chida. Dadhi means yogurt. And chida means? And so today also is called Dadhi chida Mahotsav. Raghunath Das Goswami. In this way, he served to Vaishnavas. Morning I also told about this celebration Utsav, how Raghunath Das Goswami fulfilled all the desires of Nityananda Prabhu and Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Very nice Hari Katha. I again not repeat same Katha because most of the all were same. already you heard. Morning I told, then Nityananda Prabhu told, other devotees also. Very nice way to do this with symbols. Among of the 6 Goswamis, Raghunath Das Goswami is a prominent Rupanuga Vaishnava. He always following the footsteps of Rupa Goswami. Morning I told. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are only one aim and object, how to one pointed with Srimati Radhika. and served to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Srila Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. For this regard, Narottam Das Thakur, in his Prem Bhakti Chandrika, glorified about Rupa Goswami. Sri Chaitanyam Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jano Bhutale Sayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadadi Sapadantikam. Rupa Goswami Pad, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Rupa Goswami Pad will give me shelter, his lotus feet. Because Gaudiya Vaishnava is thinking Sthat Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So, Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami and Jiva Goswami Pad, morning I told, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami. And Rupa Goswami also gave all his treasure heart to Srila Jiva Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. Try to answer. So for this, all our Gaudiya Vaishnava want to become Rupanuga Vaishnava. What is it? Rupanuga. In our Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, Srila Gurudeshwar Nayan Goswami Maharaj. All our Guru Vargas, this is the aim and object of this. They are called Rupanuga Acharya. And especially Raghunath Das Goswami, he is called Prayojan Acharya also. Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad, he is called Samandha Pradata Acharya. Or Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he is called also Abhidya Acharya. Abhidya process, how to enter in our Supreme Goal. And Raghunath Das Goswami is called Prayojan Acharya. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his things and in all his followers. In this way, step by step, how to perform bhajan and sadhana. Just to have. In this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process attain to abode of Lord. Kali Yuga mein kevalo naam adhara sumeru sumeru naraha utarihi para. Tulsidas ji, Ramcharit Manas very clearly explained. In this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process attain to Lord or highest perfection. Only Naam Sankirtan. What is that? Naam Sankirtan. Hare Namo, Hare Namo, Hare Namiva Kevalam, Kalu Nasteva, 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 Gadiranatha. There are any other process. By the performing karma, jnana, yoga, austerity, pronunciation, you cannot attain to abode of Lord. Only Naam Sankirtan. Because every yugas, there are different process how to attain the abode of Lord. That is called Yuga Dharma. Yuga Dharma is the process of particular age. Satta Yugas, people they perform meditation. Kitaja Dhyato Vishnum Tretayang Jajate Makai Dapare Purichajjan or Kalu Tat Hari Sankirtanam. This is the process. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. In Satta Yugas, people they perform meditation, then. Because in the age of Satta Yuga, the people they also alive 100,000 years. एक लाख Kali Yuga, how many years we are living? Maximum 100, not 200. 70, 80, 90, then finish. 100 years, very rare. Who is here 100 years? Raise one hand. 100 years? You? No. 90? Who is 90 years old? Also no. 80 years? Maybe. But also very, very?
70.
And? Okay, 70, okay. Kali Yugas. Or Sattva Yuga into 1000 years, they alive. And they meditate also to Lord. Kali Yuga.
100,000.
And 100,000 years. And Tretang Jajate Mukhi. In Treta Yuga, people they alive how many years? 10,000. 10 less. And they perform fire sacrifice. Kali Yuga, very difficult to perform fire sacrifice. You cannot get all kinds of also ingredients, one coming another. You have to do this. Dapare Paricharja. And Dapar Yugas, people also alive, again 10 less. 10,000 to 10 less, how many? 1,000 years. And they worship to Lord also. Or Kali Yugas, how many years you can stay in this matter? Alive? Maximum 100 years. And 100 years very difficult also. So Kali Yuga is giving the concession card. Okay, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Kali Yuga में केवल नाम आधारा सुमेरु सुमेरु नरह और करी पार. Kali Yuga नाम संकीर्तन very simple. There are no any other person. Very simple. I chant Hare Krishna. At morning I told, eating, sleeping, anytime you can chant holy names. Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti strarvita nimita smarana nakalo etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mami hopi durdaiva disha ajunu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not write any Grantha books. Just he recited 8 verses. That is called Shikshastakam. But the first sloka of Shikshastakam, everything is there. That means all the waters of ocean are there. One small jar. You know? Cheto darpana marjanam. Are you darpana? Darpana is mirror. Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava mahadavani nirvapanam. Sreya kaira chandriya vitaranam. Vidya vadhu jivanam. Anandamudhi vardhanam pratipadam purnamrita svasadhanam sarvatmanasnaranam param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.
Everything is there.
Always I'm saying this, how is beautiful this. Nam Sankirtan. All Veda, Purana, Upanishad, everywhere glorifies Nam Sankirtan. Just to once chant holy names, how you powerful. Ahovato sapachito gariyan jadi jihagre bardate namattu bam. Srimad Bhagavata ki sabi. Even the dog eat are very low grade people. Just once, Sakrit mane once chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then all your simple automatically destroyed. Ahovato sapachat guriyan. And one who chants one holy names, he is higher than Samavedi Brahmana. Because in this Kali Yuga, Lord mercifully invested all his potency in his holy name. Not do anything. Because in this Kali Yuga, we cannot prepare. Just to meditate to Lord, close your eyes, automatically sleepiness will come. Coming or not? If sleepiness comes, then mind automatically traveling around the world without ticket, without passport or without visa. Again coming and again also going. Listen, no need go to buy ticket. Get ticket, no need. No need stamp visa. And
No immigration problem.
no immigration.
Visa problem.
Nothing. Mind always you are traveling. How possible, Kali Yuga, you meditate to Lord? Tell me. Possible? Very difficult. So saying this, Kali Yuga not possible. People are trying these things. Many yoga, they are doing these things. Asana, pranam, dhyana, dharana, and samadhi. They are doing this, but very difficult. So far, the Shastra saying in this Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Very. Well, how chant holy names? Anytime. And sleeping, chant. Lay down on your bed. And to chant. There is no necessary and sit on the asana. Padmasana. Very simple. Chant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There's one Brahmana, Ajamila. He was very wretched, fallen. But he just gave his son's name, Narayan. What name? Narayan. Chant. What is his name? Narayan. Look, he attained to abode of Lord Vaikuntha. And Ajamil Katha, Srimad Bhagavata. Naam, how is it powerful? Here we say they are also Hindi, they are writing here. Sri Kasi Vishwanath. Sri Kashinath Vishwanath Mandir Dham. Look this. I tell you very nice, beautiful this story also here. There was one Brahmana. He worshipped Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva here?
Yes.
You see or not? So to,
And behind you.
There is not a worship.
Nataraj.
Nataraj Shiva. This is Vishwanath Shiva. Kashi Vishwanath. Very nice. Okay. That Brahmana, he many years worshipped Lord Shivji. And he did not ask anything. Once his daughter marriage ceremony needs some money. Then he asked Lord Shiva, please give me some money. Money is honey better than sun. So he asked Lord Shiva, give some money. Then Vishwanath ji, Lord Shiva, you go to Vrindavan. My best friend Sanatana Goswami is there on the bank of Jamuna River. He has lot of wealth of money. You go there, he will give me. That Brahmana, he came from Kashi to Kashi, understand? Benares. Then he came in Vrindavan and asked the people, who is Sanatana Goswami? Then Brajavasi told, Madan Mohan Ghera. If you go Vrindavan, you see that one place is called Madan Mohan Ghera, that place name. And he came and he saw. First he told, how possible this? And Sadhu will give me money. Because Sanatana Goswami Padan completely a renounced person. Understand? Nothing. They are putting tilak, kanthimala, and one japamala, and chanting holy name. Very simple chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That Brahman is seated in front of Sanatana Goswami. Then after a few minutes, Sanatana opened his eyes and asked, who are you? Where have you come from? Then that Brahmana, he told, I have come from Vrindavan. Where? Kashi, Benares. Why you have come here? What is the reason? And that time Brahman told, yes, Shivji sent me to you some gift, some money. Because my daughter marriage ceremonies, for the regard I have need. And Shivji also sent me. Listen very carefully. When that Brahmana uttered the name of Shivji, then Sanatana Goswami Pad's heart melted. Tears rolling down. Because Sanatana Goswami Pad and Shivji has so much friendship mood, love and affection. If you go Vrindavan, where is Sanatana Goswami Pad? Very close to Shivji there. Everywhere. If you go Govardhan, and if you go Giriraj, Govardhan, you can see also. That is called Chakleshwar Mahadev there. On the bank of Manasi Ganga. If you go Vrindavan, Bankhandi Mahadev is there also. Gopeshwar Mahadev is there. Sanatana Goswami Pad, he performed bhajan and sadhan. Madan Mohan Ghera or Gopeshwar Mahadev in this side. Sanatana Goswami Pad, every day he used to go meet with Shivji. When Sanatana Goswami Pad little bit sick, cannot. Then Shivji himself came from Gopeshwar Mahadev to Bankhandi Mahadev. Then also met together. From this house. So first this regard, when Sanatana Goswami Pad heard the name of Shivji, then his heart melted. Shivji is Mahabhagavat. Vaishnavanam Yatha Sambhu. Someone is Shivji. Shivji very near and dearest of Lord also. And he pure Vaishnava, Suddha Vaishnava. There are many Vaishnavas. But Shivji, topmost. So Srimad Bhagavatam mentions this sloka. Vaishnavanam Yatha Sambhu, Nimnanam Yatha Ganga. Purana nam idanam tatha.
There are many Puranas, 18 Puranas. But Srimad Bhagavatam, topmost. There are many rivers, holy rivers in India. But topmost holy river, that is called Ganga. So Shivji. So Sanatana Goswami asked, oh, Shivji sent you to you? You want money? Well, yes. Sanatana Goswami was very humble, he told. Go nearby one, what is it called? Dustbin, no?
Rubbish.
Garbage place. People are throwing the garbage. Dustbin. Sanatana Goswami was told, go. And that place, one very valuable stone you will get. That is called touchstone. What you will get? Touchstone. That is Sanskrit word. That is called Parshamani. What do you have? Parshamani. Parshamani, you understand? Yes. The stone touch the iron, iron transfer in gold. Yeah. Then the Brahmana, he searched. Then he found that touchstone. Then he touched one small iron. Then they transfer in gold. You want or not?
Yeah.
This is true. Yes. There is also this. There is very nice story. That's
Story of the sea. Shiv.
Shivji. Or
Shiv is not
you put the Shivji. Look at it. Very nice beautiful there. That's for faith. And that Brahmana, he took that that's very happy. And then he proceeded to Banaras, Kashi. And they go, in my house, all the iron transfer in gold. So I will arrange my daughter's marriage very nicely. But on the way, he was thinking, why this renowned person Sanatana Goswami? He threw this stone and persimmon, and he chanting something. Why? What does he want? Then again he returned back and asked Sanatana Goswami Pad, why did you throw this very valuable stone? Everybody wanted, na? She want? Everybody want? You want or not?
trouble with this one.
That's mine.
Huh?
If we have it, we can build a big temple.
Big temple. This is true. Huh? And now we say this is good. Huh? But when you get,
Only jewelry.
that is you, depend on you. Huh? Huh? That is true. We'll see that time. Huh? Now we are saying if I have a lot of money, then I will build the temple. But Kali Yuga also very difficult. And who will maintain the temple? First question. Huh? Build, you can build the temple. Well, how to maintain? Who will stay there? Only a pigeon. Very difficult to find out. Brahmachari. Difficult or not? How do you guess? Temple, you can build temple. This is true. Very difficult. And so much headache. He brought one, what is it? He brought one brahmachari. Then after 3 days, well, I'm going back.
Yes, today.
Today.
Later.
Huh? This is true. Huh? Not so easy to maintain. Indian people, they hire the brahmanas, they are the people, they are doing this. Huh?
Paid job.
Pardon?
Paid job. Like
Paid a job, this year.
salary.
Giving the salary, this.
Mobile phone.
And mobile phone, if you give also what is called. Many things you will give, then will be stay.
Bank account.
Huh? Kali Yuga, not so easy. Huh? This is true or wrong? A mission good or not? Then if I get money and build very nice, beautiful temple. So Gurudev Nan Goswami Maharaj, he told, I built the temple on your heart. Jai Srila Gurudev. Bhakti Thakur sing this one. Mama mana mandire raha niside Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Mama mana mandire raha niside Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Mama mana mandire raha niside Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna, hey Murari, Govinda, I will stay in the temple of my heart, Hridaya Mandir. First, make the temple in your heart. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told us, Aner mon mon, mor mon Vrindavan, mone bone ek kari jani, kahate tomare padoddhay karao jodi udoy, tabe tomar purna kripa mani. First, make that, or very nicely build the temple in your heart. Mana mandir. Mana mana mandire rahan isidin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna Murari, you always stay in my temple of heart. Hridaya Mandir. This is true. So now coming in this way, your desire is very nice, good. Okay. So now coming this the Brahmana again, he returned back to Sanatana Goswami Pad and he asked, why did you throw this valuable stone? And what you are doing here? Then Sanatana Goswami Pad told, listen, this touchstone will give you money, this gold, these things. But try to understand, wealth is the perpetual source of all kinds of distress and unhappiness. Nitya Bhaktivedanta Saraswati Maharaj in his purport very clearly explained. In this material, all kinds of things are giving the unhappiness. You have it, then automatically mind disturbed. Disturbed or not? How to maintain the temple, how to do the brahmachari. There is many problems. So for this regard, our Goswamis, they did not build any temple. They performed bhajan and sadhan under the tree in Vrindavan. One night, under one tree, another. Because they realized all the trees of Vrindavan, they are the witness of Radha Krishna's sweet pastimes. They realize these things. Vrindavan ko vriksha ko maram na jane koi dal dalar paat mein Radhe Radhe hoy. All the trees of Vrindavan, but they are chanting Radhe 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 Radhe. Not doing anything. They felt pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. राधा करावचित पल्लव वल्लरी राधा पदांक विलसित मधुर स्थली के राधा जसो मुख मत्त खगावली के राधा बिहार विपिनम रमतांग मनो में है प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती का very nicely glorified in Vrindavan. You go everywhere, see very nice and golden creepers. That creepers planted by Srimati Radhika's lotus hand. So Radha Karavajita Pallava Ballari ki Radha Padanka Vilasito Madhurastali ke. If you go Vrindavan, everywhere you can see the footprints of Srimati Radhika. Radha Padanka the Bhumi. Very nice, beautiful. If you go Vrindavan, you can see all the birds and what they're chanting, what they're doing. They are not chirping, what they're saying. Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Kujata Kokila Hamsa Sarsa Gana Kirino Mayura Kuli. Kujata Kokila Hamsa Sarsa Gana Kirino Mayura Kuli. In Vrindavan, all the birds, please chanting Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. Glorify Srimati Radhika. Or Radha Viharo Vipino Radha Radha Viharo Vipino Ramatang Manomi. My mind always was roaming, wondering where the Srimati Radhika she performed sweet amorous pastimes with her beloved Krishna. My mind only thinking this, not other than this. Vrindavan. So just I also come back this way. Sanatana Goswami Pad told, this touchstone will give this money, but that is will give the distress and unhappiness. This is true or wrong? Are you happy in your material life or not? Raise one hand. Who is happy? No one. Raise a little bit. If little bit also happy, otherwise how possible to live in this matter? Understand? This is true. But we are not happy. Try to understand. But so Sanatana Goswami Pad told, actually I am chanting holy names. What is chanting? Holy names. Will you say what is that? Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddho Nitya Mukta Avinnatvat Nama Namino. Avinnatvat Nama Namino. There are no difference. Holy names and Sri Hari. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he told, you are chanting holy names, means direct you are meeting with Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You are meeting or not? You are meeting. But now your heart is completely contaminated with Maya. So you cannot realize. But regarding chanting holy names, then your heart will be neat and clean. Then we realize. In morning I told, Ram नाम के साबुन से मन के धोए. You also clean your heart with the soap of Ram Naam. Tulsidas saying, Ram Naam ke साबुन से मन के धोए. Yeah, very nice. राम नाम के साबुन से जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वो राम का दर्शन पाएगा. दिस इज हिंदी सॉन्ग है। राम नाम के साबुन में जो मन के मल छोड़ाएगा, निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वो राम का दर्शन पाएगा। सीताराम 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 कहिए, सीताराम 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 कहिए। चाहे विधि राखे राम, चाहे विधि रहिए, सीताराम 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 कहिए। राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए, राधे श्याम कहिए। राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे विधि कहिए, राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए। राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे विधि कहिए, राधे विधि राखे श्याम, राधे विधि कहिए। पिया वो विमान जब विमान नहीं खाएगा, वो प्यारे होई जो श्री राम जी के खाएगा। राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम कहिए, राधे श्याम राधे श्याम राधे श्याम। क्या तुलसीदास सही, राम नाम के साबुन से जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, और निर्मल मन के दर्पण में वह राम का दर्शन पाएगा। When our heart will be neat and clear, then we will take darshan to Lord. This is the process. So Sanatana Goswami Pad just taught these things also. Hey Brahmana, listen. Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, Purna Suddho Nitya Mukta, Avinnatvat Nama Nama. Holy name is Chintamani. Chant holy name, and holy name will fulfill all your desires. What do you want? Chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Holy name is powerful. So Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, completely a conscious being. Check. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, Purna Suddha and Nitya Mukta, completely free from all the Maya's gunas. Or Purna Suddha, Avinnatvat Nama Nami. If you chant holy name, you will give everything. Just with faith, we chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. You ask holy name will fulfill all your desires. Even your any material desires will come. Holy name first fulfill all your material desires. 100% guarantee. What do you want? Tell me. Honestly. What do you want? He's saying sadhu sangha. Sadhu coming in your house also. Automatically coming or not? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In our house, many sadhus coming also. 3 times sadhus coming in his house, in our house. Coming or not? Mangalarti, 30 devotees also in our house. Uday Mangala sadhu, all sadhus are coming or not?
Yeah.
Midday, Harikatha. 35 sadhu came. And now here also 50 sadhus also come. Sadhu Nandi. Your desire, Lord will fill what you want. And sadhu Sangha. You are right. Sadhu Sangha. Lord will. That Brahmana, they realize. Eh? Then you throw that stone in the water. Then you to give me holy name. Then he received, that Brahmana, he received Harinam. Eh? And perform bhajan sadhana in Vrindavan. Eh? Because this human life is very, very rare. Try to understand. Eh? Durlabho manuso dehe dehinam khanavangura tatrapi durlabhang manne vaikunta priya darshanam. Eh? This human life is very, very rare. This is true. But more rare things, that is called get the association of sadhu. Sadhu sangha. So durlabho manuso dehe dehinam khanavangura, and this material body here, temporary. How long will you stay in this material world? No guarantee. Tomorrow will be, see, sunrise or not. Who can say? There are no guarantees. But your hope, eh? This is your hope or not? When you are going to sleep on your bed, you also give the alarm in your clock. But you don't know. Tomorrow will be, listen that. Huh?
Who's going to turn the alarm off?
Who will stop? Huh? This is true, but we hope everything will be. Huh? This. Huh? Sometimes saying this way. You also, you are a small baby. Listen very carefully. Huh? I will give you the example of the faith. Vishwas. Take a small baby, maybe 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, your baby, small baby. What are you doing? Taking your baby, what is it called? Throwing and dancing.
Catching.
And when you throwing your baby not crying, baby also happy, laughing. Why baby is laughing? Baby have faith. My mother will catch me. Look, the faith. Balavindavan Vyari. Faith. Eh? You understand? Or if a mother little bit unbalanced his hand, then baby, then finish. Baby finish or not? But baby has faith. Eh? Or the baby also has. When you thrown up, baby, then baby, because baby has faith, my mother will catch me. That is the simple example. Eh? This example good or not? Eh? Faith. In the same way, all your faith. That means if you chant holy names with faith, from faith, then you will get everything else. Eh? This is the process. If you have no faith, if you nothing do, also chant holy names. Also, holy name will give the fruits. Give the fruits. Bolo Vrindavan Vyari. Naam Prabhu. Because Naam is Chintamani. Naam Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you touch the fire burn your hand or not? Yes. In the same way, knowingly, unknowingly, anyhow, if you chant holy names will fulfill your desires. Eh? Well, how long will you chant holy names? Well, here this saying this, Sakrito Opi, Hilaya Sadhyava. If you have faith or without faith, we chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Madhuram etad mangala mangalanam, sakala nigavalli satpalam satti sarupam. Sakrito bhi Shraddhaya Hidayava. Yadi Sakrito bhi Shraddhaya Hidayava. Tarit Krishna. Bhriguvara Naravatarya Krishna Nam. Here it is a Shraddha and Yala. With faith, Yala, without faith, anyhow we chant holy name. Holy names will fulfill all your desire. Nam, how is powerful holy name? Nam Mahima, the glories of holy name. For this morning I told Lord, in this Kali Yuga, Lord invested all his potency in his holy name. Hari se vara Hari ka naam. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited second verse of Sixth Shastra. Nam namakari vauda nija sarva sakti sravarvita nimita smaranena kalo etadrishi tava kripa bhagavan mayopi Durdaiva yedrisha ajano nanurag. Don't forget the first sloka. Hold this. Again I will remind you. Cheto darpana marjanam. Everybody do. Clean your heart. This is as like your mirror of heart. Hidayat darpan. What is this? Symbol of mirror of heart. Hidayat darpan. And now you cannot see. If you go to the hospital and open, then you will see. But you cannot see. Open. But now you see this is simple. Cheto darpana marjanam. Take the clock. Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava maha davagni nirvapanam. Shreya kairava chandrika vitaranam vidya vadhu jivanam anandam buddhi vardhanam pratipadam puramrita asadanam sarva atma snapanam param vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam. Second verse. Nam namakari bahudan nija sarva sakti starvitam mita smaranana kalo etadri tava kripa bhagavan mama yopi durdaiva dishajano nanurag. Trinadapi sunichena karoriva sahisuna amalina manavena kirtaniya sadari. Fourth sloka. Nam nadhanang nasjanang sasnaring kavitan va jagadis kamaye mama janma janmaneshwari bhavata bhakti ahituki tayi. Oi nandatanu tinkaram paditang mang bhav vishamdim. Oi nandatanu kinkaram paditang mang bhav vishambure. मुझे भी बुला दे तो. हाँ हाँ इसको देखो. हाँ ओई नंदत तनुजा किंकरं पदितं मां विषमे भवाम्बुधौ कृपया तव पाद पंकज स्थित धूलि सदीशं विचिन्तया नयनं गवश्रुधारया वदनं गदगदौ दया गिरा पुलार्कै निजितं बपूतवा कदा नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति. Then जुगायित निवेशनं चक्षुषा पवृषायितं सुन्नायितं जगत सर्वं Govindam Virahe Name. This is very nice. Aslishabam Padaratang Pinastumang Mam Mat Adarsanat Maramahatang Karotuba Jata Tatha Vagdadhatu Lampato Saprananapa Ipastu. It's nice. You learn this verse, understand the meaning of the verse, then automatically a switch, mood automatically manifest in your heart. Otherwise, nothing. So I'm saying this way. This is holy name, the glories of holy names. How is very powerful. So I am why saying because Sanatana Goswami Pad, he told all these things. They're the Brahmana. I am chanting holy name these days. Holy name will give. Everything will be. Nama Brahma. Sabda Brahma, transcendental vibration. Sabda Brahma. Not material things. Two types of sound. One is called material sound, and another is called transcendental sound, vibration. Holy name chanting, holy name, the transcendental vibration. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Balavrindavan Vihari Lal ki. So now I will not take too much of your time. So, now also the Toruni, she has come from Holland, and she showed to us very nice, beautiful dance. Which one? Govinda Damo Dharma. So please make one place for us in the middle, for Prabhu, please. And come just two sides. Where are you? Or just a little bit. Move.
Yeah.
Take the mic.
Hare Krishna, everyone. If we just move to Maharaj's side of the room, that
This way. राम नाम के सावन में जो मन के मल छुड़ाएगा, निर्मल मन के दर्पण में.
Hay un control dentro de esta caja. El control es allá. Control. Prabhu, Krishna Balaram. Puede colocar aqui.
Como é que é?
Vai colocar no. Eu vou colocar aqui. Eu vou colocar aqui. É melhor na caixa de som. Eu vou colocar. No início, né? Do começo de novo.
What do you need the mic? The mic? Yes. The mic. She needs the mic.
Quando for, você. When you're ready, let us know so that.
Introduction.
Okay, that's okay.
Krishna Krishna Bhaktai Tarpatai Namo Namah Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Saraswati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Tonight I will perform a dance on the Kirtan Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A gopi churning the butter. She thinks of Krishna. She's so much absorbed in her love that she thinks he's right behind her. With a choked voice, she says, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A lady cleaning her garden. She says, Oh Krishna, please come play in my garden. With a choked voice, she says, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. Mother Yashoda, she comes to wake up Krishna. She said, Oh enchanter, open your eyes. Your friends, they're waiting outside. Come, come. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. The scholars, absorbed in their studies, and the merchants, they're immersed in getting money, and they're all singing. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A gopi going to milk the cow, and to the rhythm of the milk squirting, she sings Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A pujari going to the temple to do the arti and serve the deities, and then he sings Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A mother going to put her baby asleep, she puts the blanket and observe the love, she sings Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. But then the baby starts crying in the crib. She goes to the baby and says, Oh baby, don't cry. Sing with me the names of Sri Hari. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. A bride, she goes to wake her husband. She says, Are you still sleeping? No, wake up and time to glorify the names of Sri Hari. Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Govinda Damodara Madhaviti. Now I'll start the dance.
Oh my god. Okay.
Pull the wire out. Pull the wire out.
That's it. It's okay? It's okay? 1, 2, 3. Krishna Govinda Damodara Madhaviti, Dare Madhani Dadine Kisine, Tabe Vyanayo Dadi Chora Kari, Gada Gada Kanta Pukarti Hai, Govinda Damodara
Thank you. Very nice. Jai Nice, beautiful representation. I think also you do. All of Balvacharyas. That's Madhura Ashtakam next time. Okay? Here, that is also very nice. Thanks. Could you say another? You have time? Can do another? Which one? Kishori Meru Angana.
If you send me the song, we can put it.
Yeah.
Ok. Gente, será que podemos poner outra?
Claro!
Aqui. É mais para esse. É outra. Envia para mim. Send me, yeah. E que daí vem pra mim e eu boto. But myself,
I put in the hair and listen here. Maybe you can name the phone. You can go on YouTube with your phone. YouTube or Spotify?
This is Spotify.
Spotify?
yeah, if you search.
You can share. You can.
Oh, it's okay now.
Jai.